Hill from DoneRight Management. We are in Crane Shores, located in Donley, Idaho. This is the tutorial on utilizing the television and the controls in the master suite. This is a fairly straightforward operation. This is going to be set to HDMI 1. If you ever do need a change, it's HDMI 1. On the back of the remote, it actually indicates right there, watch TV, input HDMI 1, just in case it gets switched for whatever particular reason. So right here on the top corner, you're going to make sure that you've got activation on the TV if you want to turn it on and off. And the same thing with the cable box. You need to activate that, push the power button, and you'll know you're active if you have a blue light on the cable box itself. And then traditionally changing the channels, volume controls on the left, channel changing is on the right. So if you've got any further questions, you can reach out to us. The landline office number is 208-634-0030. Cheers and enjoy your stay.